Grand Rising, family, Grand Rising, Black Phoenix checking in. I'm the owner of Hog On Welding and the founder of Hog On University. And today I wanted to talk to you about a few myths of welding. And one of the myths is you got to graduate from high school or have a high school diploma. No, you don't. The second one is you got to get in debt. You got to go to a VOTEC, a college, in order to get this type of information. That's a myth. The third myth is the only way to learn is by getting a job. That's a myth too, fam. One thing I love about welding can be learned on an individual basis by someone who is seasoned, or it can be done on the job training. But you don't have to get in debt, fam. And one thing I love about it, welding is something you can learn that can actually turn into a business quicker, because you get the process of putting metals together, fabrication, installing, and you get the concept where you can actually build something of your own or provide something that's needed in another area. And you can do all of this without tapping into their system. So that's why I say I feel like welding is real valuable, and it's something that we should grasp onto, especially as African Americans, as Black natives, because a lot of us don't have high school diplomas. A lot of us are hustlers and from the streets, and we can use welding to get over the hump. Hold on.